Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Well, it's Friday again. Let's start with Bitcoin on daily and let's see what we can get. But first, please take this tweet, this post, and share it with everyone if you want. That will help us a little bit for more people to see our content. Okay? Good morning, good morning. So now let's go on Bitcoin and let's see what we have. It's kind of following what we are trying to see here. We had the long reload zone, we had a 3-bar fractal, classic, nice one. Yeah, kind of even you can say it empire, inverse empire on daily chart. Let's flip the chart a little bit. Now you can see the 3-bar fractal. 1, 2, 3. Really nice one. So yeah, seeing the market accepting here, I still think we'll get, how deep I don't know, but I still think we can get another retracement, and that will be a buying opportunity in my view. Yeah, people will panic a little bit, and we can safely hunt on lower time frame for some setups. Okay, I think that's doable, possible. For the moment, you can see market is above long reload zone. It's trying to push and test 100k again. Well, not too much volatility on daily time frame, but good enough. We cannot complain. We can see we have something to work on. Indicators on daily, well, RSI is fighting 50 and it's trying to accept above 50 line, which is nice. If we'll push a bit higher and then we'll retest 50 line, that will be even better. OBV, just following the price action. Nothing bad. You can see something here. I don't know. You can see it? No? If you don't see it, well, I'll explain it to you. Well, let's think about this level. Yeah? This low and this one. We have a low and we have a lower low. Now, let's take the OBV. You don't see it every day. You have a low and you have a slightly higher low. And then you confirm the W. What is this on daily time frame on Bitcoin, people? Who can tell me what that is there? Exactly what we have here on OBV. OBV in price action. Anyone? Morning, Jade. Come on. We have we have couple one people here. I hope you have some. That's a confirmed bullish divergence. Yeah, it's already confirmed that we closed here. We closed above this level. So that's a strong signal. Yeah, Jade. Bullish divergence, but it's a confirmed one. It's not potential. Until we'll close above this level, it's just a potential one. After we'll close and we'll confirm the W, that's a confirmed bullish divergence, which it's a strong signal. Keep in mind, OBV is speaking about volumes. So, yeah, any retracement here should be a buying opportunity. Well, you'll learn soon enough, Jade. It's a bit more complicated to explain you the difference, and idea is that, yeah, okay, you're right. Bullish divergence. A lot of people are looking at the highs. No, at the lows. For bullish divergence, you are looking at the lows. Low, lower low. Low, higher low on OBV or RSI or MACD. Okay? But the idea is with that OBV is that we have some strength here. We have some signs that we should not panic sell or think short or anything like that. Any deep, it's a buying opportunity. And hopefully we'll get this kind of idea. That's Bitcoin on daily. Let's see Ethereum. Yeah, it's going sideways. Scalpers could make money here. Stefan made nice money for VIP people in this small range. But you can see it's still holding that neckline. Will explode all of the sudden? Probably. When will happen? I don't know. We'll do a fake out to the downside and then up. Well, on lower time frame that will be a gift because we can enter long again. But overall, it's holding this neckline. I think we'll push higher. Let's see what we have. Here we cannot talk about bullish divergence because we have this weak to the downside, and you can see OBVs all over the place. Well, we talked about Ethereum, we talked about Bitcoin dominance. It's at the same place. You can see it's below 61.50. It's bouncing, but the bounce doesn't have any strength. You can see here. Strong move, clear rejection, bounce, retracement back down to test 60%, bounce again, but you can see the bounce is not strong enough. I could easily see an EM here accepting below 60, and then that will be something nice for our altcoin bags. No? Okay. Hit the like if you want. If you don't want or you don't like the content, hit the dislike 2 times. But my request is to repost that tweet higher in the chat. That will help us. Yeah? If you are reposting on Twitter, more people will see the content. Okay. We'll take the request, Lulus. We'll take the request at the end. Yeah? After we finish what we are presenting, doing the plan, at the end we take some requests. Yeah? Every time we take requests, but the program is that at the end of the live stream. So remember me in, I don't know, 20 minutes. Okay. So Bitcoin dominance here, yeah, we can push higher, it's still possible, but you can see, this is weakness. Why? We bounced, we rejected again, and now we didn't even had the strength to touch short reload zone. Let's see. So that's the high, that's the low, look at it. Yeah, we can touch this level, but for me it's looking weak. Which could be good for our altcoin bags, like I said. Okay, that's Bitcoin dominance. Let's take a look at Ethereum versus Bitcoin. It's the best stable coin if you can consider like that. Yeah? Flat line here, going sideways. We can still attack this week, but at the same time, watch the 003 level, people. That's the key point. If we'll accept above that level, I'm saying that over and over again from this point, from after the drop. Will take some time, well, that's not our problem. We'll wait until we'll see the candle body close above that level. Yeah? Until then, it's consolidating. I'll consider it a deviation after we'll accept above 003. So, going sideways, we can put a weekly chart, but you can see what we have here. Clear rejection, 3-bar fractal, confirmed. Accept above this level and we are good to go. The bot setup or AB equals setup is still in play here, but it's at the neckline. I don't necessarily want to trade this chart. It's ugly, but some people like it. Why not? Total market cap, trying to make a W here, just above $3 trillion. Not bad. Still consolidating above. Total 3, a bit weaker for the moment, but you can see it's still fighting the same level. So nothing changed in the last 2 weeks. They are fighting that level. Now that's the overview. Higher time frame, people, the market is not moving too much for the moment. Lower time frame, best opportunities ever. We made nice money just playing 1 hour, 4 hour chart. Yeah? Altcoins on higher time frame still at the right level. You can still buy them. We are still trying to make some daily W's. For example, here, alt. Let's take this one. You can see it's trying to consolidate them. We'll probably make a nice W. But until daily will happen and we'll do the W, well, we can play 1 hour. And we played the 1 hour here. Look at it. Huh? Took the W and the long reload zone, breakout and retest, and look at it. We are more than 1-to-1 in profit, target a lot higher. Okay? So we are making money on lower time frame. Indeed, higher time frame, not too many things you can do. If you are a position trader, well, you are dollar cost averaging, I don't know if you dollar cost average, but you are waiting for the daily W. But as a day trader, 1 hour Ws are more than enough to make some money. Okay. Hey Catalin, nice to see you back. Okay, so Alt is one of them. A lot of altcoins are looking nice. AVAX, for example, we posted the setup. Look at it, 2-to-1 already. I don't know which one of them I posted on general chat, but I know I post tons on premium and VIP. So look at this one, classic setup, exactly what we are teaching you in Capo 1. Huh? Location, indicator confirmation, price structure, go. So posted when we made the W, we had the retest here. Well, some people said, well, like it will go to 0, I don't want to touch it. Well, don't trade then, sorry. You have to assume some risks. Yeah, calculated risk, because we are respecting the risk. We have a good risk management, but you have to risk some money to be able to make a profit. No? Well, we have a, I don't know, slippage, how you can call it. Your message will be a bit late after I speak, Arjun, so I don't know what you are talking about. Which altcoin, which time frame. So mention in the message. Yeah? We have a delay between when I'm saying the words and when you hear them, and when you type them will take, I don't know, 10-15 seconds. Okay, morning. So, there are multiple altcoins that are looking really nice. It's up to you to frame setups. Well, the last one I saw that is trying to do a momentum play is this one. You can see it? I don't know if you can see it, but something is brewing here. This one wants to test the highs here. That's just an example. TIA. Well, people, I told you about TIA at that moment. Huh? We talked about TIA every fucking day. At $3, below $3. Now it's at 3.6. Just slightly higher. Yeah, and not only TIA. A lot of altcoins are looking similar. You can hunt all day long if you know what you are doing in the market. That's the key. If you have a plan with a good risk management and good setups and you know what you are doing in the market, you can hunt all day long. This is easy environment, easy market, easy condition for day traders. Yeah? You take the trade and you have a good chance that will hit your take profit. Okay? People in the Discord know that it's possible to trade even 1 minute and make really nice money, really fast. You know what we are doing. Okay, people, let's go on lower time frame. Talk about day trading in general. Well, look at this. We talked about this one at the entry. Look at it. It's going for the target there. Nothing you can do here. You cannot chase this one here. If you want to chase it, you have to play the Holy Grail on 5-minute chart. Yeah, it's possible. But you can see it's up only for the moment. Let's take him one by one. Let's start with Bitcoin. Yeah, we took the actual low here on Bitcoin. We reached 2-to-1. Now our target is at 100k, so 2.5. But you get the idea. We managed to take this one. We post this trade everywhere, so nobody has any excuse. Well, I didn't took it. Hopefully, most of you took it. 2-to-1, it's a good risk to reward, people. Even if you are not, well, okay, you are not a sharp scalper to take a lower risk here. take the entire, well, the shark, it's good enough. And you are at 2 to 1. If you risk $100, you have $200 profit now, which is not bad. Touching it here, well, I don't know. Holy grail if you really want, but I see some liquidity pulls here. So they'll take some liquidity above this level. Big support and resistance level, which now it's resistance. I don't really suggest you to go on a long Bitcoin there. It's better to wait for the market to accept above 100k, push a bit higher, and then retest it as a support, and then to think long. Yeah? But it's up to you. If you have a different setup, I don't have a problem. I'm not a financial advisor, people. I'm just telling you my 2 cents about the market and what I do with my own money. Okay, so that's Bitcoin, Ethereum. Kind of similar price action, but not. It's just consolidating for the moment. You can see the range. We are trying to accept and stay above the middle of the range. What we have here, hopefully will not be a fake out, because we have a move up and then we have something nice. You know what this pattern is called? I don't know if you know. Hopefully it's not a fake out, because you get a lot of fake outs when you are playing diamond patterns. But that's kind of the idea here. AB, CD, pointing out at the highs here. Well, I could see that. I could see the market pushing all the way up here in the liquidity. I think you can check, but I think we have some liquidity above these levels. Yeah. So, watch out. Usually, diamond patterns have kind of a 50-50 probabilities to do up or down, but in this case looks like they are a continuation pattern. Yeah? Usually they are. So A, B, C, D, kind of strong. An A, B equals C, D like this, you cannot play it with our setup, or you cannot play it with any other thing, because the retracement is just not there. It's just going sideways, up, sideways, and higher again. Yeah. Let's look at the rest of the trades we post a couple of days ago, and we'll start with Jupiter. Nice and profit. Yeah. It's up to you if you took it or you didn't took it. We spoke about even yesterday. Litecoin, it's all over the place, and I love the fact that Litecoin is not pumping yet. Usually Litecoin is the last one to pump. On higher time frame, yeah, it's at the resistance, and at some point in time probably will pump. But we had a setup, didn't work. Next boss. So the next setup we post, well, actually this one was old one. I talked about this one 2 weeks ago. We remember this one when nobody was believing in the market. Well, no, it's going down. Well, look at it. Up, down in the long reload zone, touch 78.6. Nice W here. Textbook, the best scenario possible. And look at it. This is a 10R. I don't know if you can do more than that. I think we can, but a 10R, it's a 10R. With a 10R, you can cover for 9-10 losses. Imagine that. So even if you have 10% win rate, you still will manage to be break even with this kind of risk to reward. Okay, so that's Spite. Solana, well, it's lagging because of the FUD, because of everything, but consolidating. Nice W breakout retest. It will push higher? Probably. If Bitcoin will hold or will push a bit higher, yeah, Solana could cover. I have a 2.1 here. Could do more than that? Of course you can. Tao we talked about already. Wants to give us 6R plus. Not bad. Tia. I didn't frame that for the public. But Stefan posted for VIP and they made nice money on higher time frame. Yeah? Higher time frame daily chart, for example. I'm not saying it's the best level. Maybe we can get a deeper retracement, but it's not so bad to take 3.5 as entry and 2.3 as stop loss. Yeah? The risk to reward is still great. Look at short 3 low zone. This is a 8-1 risk to reward. If you are a position trader, that's your daily W, man. That's your daily W. We'll take daily W as well? Not quite. We can trail a trade from the lower levels, but usually we are hunting 4 hour, 1 hour, because we can make more money. But for people that have a daily job, they don't want to overcomplicate, that's a good approach here. Now, back on 1 hour. I don't see anything else we should talk about. Let's see. Yeah, Bera. Well, I don't know how many of you took Bera. You can see. When you don't have history, you put the big round numbers and you use them as a support and resistance, which is working really nice. Now, Bera it's at $8. We try to buy here at 5. Me, Bochan, and other people, we bought Bera at $5. Now, we are waiting. You want to reload? You want to take this one? Well, wait in the long reload zone. That's the only solution you have. And you can see, a long reload zone, it's exactly where the support is. Let's put the volume profile. I don't have it. Anyway, you get the idea. This is the volume. Here is the most traded place. So if the market will come back down here and put a W at $6, well, that could be a setup. And you can take that one. Yeah? Okay. Anything else? I don't know. I could see some of them pumping. I could see some of them. Most of the market is... Look at this one. What do you think is next here? Huh? You can anticipate a breakout. I don't know if it's the best. But you can wait for the breakout and play at the retest. Depending on how aggressive you want to be. If you are really aggressive, you can play the breakout, but the win rate will be lower. Huh? If you play the retest, the win rate will be bigger. You are more safe, but some trades will not retest properly, so you'll miss the trade. It's totally up to you. Pengu, well, even Pengu is trying to put a bottom here. Let's put a 4-hour chart. Let's see, we have something on Pengu. He's trying at least. He's trying. Could do better, that's for sure, but we get the idea. Meme coins are losing some steam here. That's for sure. That's not a bad thing. Some guys said he's making TA on fart. I said, well, you deserve your fate. He said that he doesn't understand what I was referring to. Maybe my English is not the best. But you get the idea. If you are where is that post? Anyway. Yeah, this one. Yeah? You deserve your fate if you posted, promoted, said that is the best thing ever, that traded, invested in. If you are playing with Fartcoin, yeah, you are an influencer, people are following you and you are posting Fartcoin, well, you deserve your fucking fate. I wish you to go to zero, because why? You are a bad example for this market. We need more people to talk about meme coins and take the public money. Well, lately you saw even the insiders got liquidated. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. Maybe they'll cool off a little bit. And maybe they'll focus on the real projects, not Fartcoin and tons of stupid meme coins. I don't have anything against meme coins. Huh? I still have Doge, but also they overreacted. Yeah, They try to extract too much money. And when you stretch a band too much, it will break. Okay. Now let's take some requests. What I think about Ripple? Well, Ripple is a shitcoin. What I think about Ripple? Ripple is a shitcoin that is centralized and well controlled by the people who created it, and they have a community that it's actually a cult. Italian. That's what I think about Ripple. Technically it's a different story. Technically, you have to tell me the time frame. You have to tell me more what you want. What we have here. Let's clean it up a little bit. Remove. On daily, what I could think about Ripple here? Well, I think we are still below DCM. I think we can consolidate more on Ripple. They need some bullish news. Ripple will not pump without any other, I don't know, fundamental, something to push it. Yeah? Pumped really nice, but usually after a pump like this, we'll consolidate really nice. And then we'll do another leg higher. Overall, I think, could push higher. But I don't have a setup at this point in time about Ripple. Let's put weekly chart first. Now you can see we had a pump and we are going sideways. We can go sideways for longer. You can find some setups here. You can play a range or something. Yeah, it's possible. But I prefer Ripple as a trader. No. Why? It's ugly. Doesn't respect the fib levels. Insiders are manipulating the price. So no. I still have Ripple. Yeah. I have Ripple from the last cycle, people. Yeah, I bought Ripple here, below 20 cents. Didn't do a big thing last cycle, and I didn't want to sell my Ripple below, I don't know, $5. I didn't touch it. I just leave it there. I didn't bought more because I had a full bag from here. Just leave that alone. I still have it. And that's it. Nothing special about Ripple at this point. I could see an AB equals CD, and will probably happen. AB equals CD, which will point out higher. I don't know, $5. I don't know more than that. Who knows? So something like this. This is AB, this is CD. I could see it close to $5. From what level? How long will take? I don't know. Well, we had another request in the first minutes. Someone asked me something. Aevo. Well, if Aevo has any chance of what? I traded on Aevo exchange yesterday. So yeah, you can see trade failed. We have this one is still working, that the stop loss is at 0. It's kind of a little old lady, you can call it. If you put the daily chart, let's see what we have on daily. Well, like everything else, is trying to make a W. Breakout or retest. Simple as that. Breakout or retest. You don't have to chase here. But you get the idea. Let me find the tool. Breakout, retest, that's your entry. You can hunt here for a smaller W on lower time frame and then up. Why? You think you will not pump again? Will pump. I have a full bag of Aevo. So personally, I'm well positioned on Aevo. I traded on Aevo yesterday. And pre-market was low liquidity, and Bocian had a problem, didn't had enough liquidity to exit. But I waited with that trade in the market open when they open. Let's just give me a second. Just give me a second. Yeah, so Aevo, I consider W breakout retest investing. Really nice. Let's go and show you something nice. You know this one? I don't know this one. I made a nice profit on this one. I traded on Binance Futures, but I traded Kaito on Aevo pre-market. So I tried to enter at $1 and I entered overnight at $1 before the market opened. And then I exit here at $2. Yeah. Everything on Aevo. No problem. Managed to make nice money. And I traded on Binance Futures 1 minute with Holy Grail, which give me, again, nice money. But I exit at 10 hour. If you look at the market cap, was more than enough. At $2, the market cap was kind of 2 billion. Man, too much. And you can see, overnight did a nice retest here. Didn't manage to get it, but I still could play around. You can see a new setup is forming and so on. But that's the idea. I traded this one on Aevo and it was working nice. You cannot use market with in the pre-market. You cannot use market orders, which is normal. Yeah? But you can use limit orders. Small positions because not enough liquidity. And after the market is, the coin is in the market, people will put more liquidity in, then you can market buy and sell. Anyway, that's a different story. What I think about Aevo, I think it's forming a daily W, which is really nice. Good morning, Christian. Good morning. ADA and DOT. Why not? I didn't look at ADA for a long time. Cardano. Let's put weekly. Well, you can see what we have here. We had a weekly retest in the long low zone, which was bouncing really nicely. It's stronger than the 95% of the coins, Cardano. It's a big one. Charles is doing a really nice job promoting it. People hate Cardano. It's not my business if they hate it. My business is to buy as low as possible. You can see the W here. Weekly W, weekly W. Nice profit. I made nice money with Cardano. I have even a bad experience with Cardano because I had too much and I sold it at the bottom. So, but still made tons of money in this pump. Will pump again? Yes. As a trader, I don't have allocation. And what I don't like here on Cardano, I'll be honest, I don't like this big gap. That tells me that maybe we need to go lower, retest this weekly W, or at least consolidate in the long low zone. Okay? Morning, Asa. So, yeah, it's stronger than the rest. It's a bit different, but I don't like this weekly M. This is a weekly M, man. It's not for shorting. It's just to keep in mind that maybe Cardano needs to consolidate a little bit more. Yeah. Now, let's take a look at the other one. DOT. Oh, excuse me. DOT. DOT. Let's clean it up. Okay? We bought the lows, we short, we hit the short, we bought, we sold half on the double. We have 3 positions. Now let's remove everything. And let's look at what we have. Well, location, the best one. You cannot get better than that. Let's see the volume profile. Exactly in the POC. Everyone will say, well, DOT is dead. I don't know about that. I have a bag and I'll load even more if it will be the case. DOT from here until the top, and we'll probably touch the top again at some point in time. It's a 10x. Not bad, not terrible. I don't know. So, we are at the POC. Now, what we can do here. This is a monthly W, people. You can see this one. This is a monthly W. After we'll close above, and will close above $12 at some point in time. That is a monthly W. Let me show you. Monthly W. Now it's at the bottom, but at some point in time will come above $12, and that will be the monthly W. And then you can put some tools at work to see where you should take your profit. And I could do something like this for the moment. Let's put a house. And there you go. First 25, second 42. And you have hires and hires. But that's a different story. For the moment, I will go on daily. Okay. I know I have a good location. Now I will go on daily and look for a daily location. Let's take the lowest low. Now let's put a altcoin reload zone. There you go. So now we are in between 78.6 and 88.6 long reload zone, looking at the last pump. Yeah. Daily W at $5. $5.30. Nice. Look at the OBV, look at the RSI. I don't see any problem. They are respecting the price action. Either you want to wait for a breakout and a retest on this level. It's up to you if you are a position trader. Wait for the W to confirm. And then play the retest. That's your entry. Or you can go as a swing trader, hunt for a W here. And then higher. Nice location to watch. Nice location to think long. Nice level to buy. $5, I think it's a buyable level. So that's my opinion about DOT. If you'll ask me what you should buy, ADA or DOT, I'll say, well, ADA, I'll wait a bit lower. I love ADA more. I like ADA more in general, but DOT is a better price. Robert says H-bar on weekly. Yeah, why not? I'll take more. H-bar. Couple of more H-bar. Well, I think you asked me last time when I said about a bot setup on even on weekly and daily. You can see that one is failing and we need to reset everything and start over again. Yeah, that is done. We have kind of an yam here. I don't like that. Let's take the last price action and let's try to keep it simple, Robert. Okay, this is the low, this is the long reload zone, this is the 78.6. We didn't test the levels properly. I don't see anything special here on weekly. So we'll take some time until we'll form another weekly W. I don't see how you can chase the market here. It's doable if you want, but not with my setups, not with my thinking, not with my plans. Yeah. So I don't like it here. Yeah. And you can see bearish divergence even on OBV. Come on, something is not okay. Yeah. You can see high, lower high, confirm the YAM, and you have here high, a slightly higher high, confirm the YAM. So bearish divergence on weekly. That doesn't mean you should short. No, you can wait lower for a W on daily maybe. Yeah. But first of all, you need location, and then you can zoom in on daily or even lower if you want. Yeah. So I don't think it's playable here. Who knows? Maybe you'll form a W here and I'll do an AB equals CD. It's possible. Huh? I don't have a problem, but I will not chase something like that at that level. It's that simple. Now, let's take a look at the next one. You said Coty? Coty. Coty Binance weekly chart. Nice location, Jade. Nice location. 3-bar fractal. Trying to do a 3-bar fractal here. 3-bar fractal bottom. Took some lows. Doesn't look bad. Honestly, doesn't look bad. To find the location, I think the best is this high and the low. As you can see, you are at 78.6 on weekly. Not bad. Good level to think about. I don't know if you know how to dollar cost average. I think you do. If you don't, ask in the chat and we'll explain you. Little old lady, it's a good strategy here. I think you are at 8 cents, kind of. Yeah, I think you can get easily 16 cents attacking this high, so you can sell half on a double and get in a risk-free position, and then don't give a fuck. More than welcome, Robert. Yeah. Let's put daily and let's see what we have. Well, daily is trying to tell you, well, I'm forming a daily W. The problem I have, I think this one could consolidate a bit more. Actually, it's not a problem. You can take the W if you want. But I could see an LJ here. So the market could go sideways and do a W the other side of the trend line at some point in time. But in the same thinking, we are making a W in 78.6 retracement. Yeah, shark level. The best level to think W. You want to see what happened last time? Well, just look at this W at 78.6. Look what happened. Yeah, breakout, retest, up. Again, touch this level and push higher. So it's an important level. Usually altcoins love to make W's in 78.6. And that's a strong buying signal. Yeah, it's kind of a shark with a W on higher time frame on altcoins. Which is working. Usually it's working really nice. So yeah, pay attention there. I like it. You want to wait for a breakout and retest? It's up to you. You want to go on 4-hour chart and try to frame a setup? If you know what you are doing, I prefer to stay on daily. Okay. The last one. Arjun said something about Voxel. I'll take Voxel and then let's call it a live stream. People, I need to go and trade and make money. I make money from trading and nobody's paying my bills. I have to pay them myself. Well, it's making lower lows, which is not the greatest thing, Arjun. Yeah? It's not the best thing when you see lower highs and lower lows. That's a downtrend. It could be the bottom here. Well, yeah, it's possible. I'm not saying it's not. There you are below the POC. Okay. Probably here you have a problem with the coins. Too many coins in the market, maybe. The market cap, it's increasing where the price is going down. I don't know. Maybe they just don't promote themselves properly or something. I don't want to. Damn good location to think long on weekly chart. Okay. And this could be power of 3. If you see a double here on weekly, take it. Take it because probably it's a good signal. Look at the W last time. Yeah? When you had a W. Here. Look what happened. You had some W's here. Fake out. Well, okay. Let's put a daily chart. You said that you want a bit lower. Daily. Well, daily is looking even better. I could see myself investing in this one. I could see playing the LJ here because you have an LJ trend line here. Yeah? You can see this is a valid trend line. And you take the first W, you see. You had the W here. This is the retest. You can even play this one. Doesn't look bad. Okay? And you hunt a 2 to 1, 3 to 1. It's up to you. I think a 2 to 1, 2.1 just to cover the fees. And that's... If you have a 50% win rate with a 2 to 1 risk to reward, you are set. You are making money day in, day out, day in, day out. You are a money machine. If it's more than 2 to 1 and more than 50%, well, that's exceptional. You are the best. Yeah? So that's the idea. I could see a setup here. I don't know how it's looking fundamental. I don't know. I need to go on CoinMarketCap and find out and see the coins to see the market cap, to see the price. Let's do that. Just a brief one. I don't like to do fundamentals in the live streams, but Voxel, 25 million market cap. Let's see it. Okay, so 25 million maximum supply, circulating supply. Well, you can see they still have 30% to fucking dump in the in the market. So I don't know. This is the price action. You can see it. Yeah. Market cap, kind of the same. You can see it's fluctuating a little bit more. That means they are dumping a little bit. Let's see the unlocks. There you go. You can see they are consistently dumping in the market. to pump, they need a bit of hype. Let's see Twitter. 70,000 followers for that market cap. Not bad, not terrible. They are posting, they are voxing, they are doing things. I think, honestly, on daily, I don't see why not. You should not take a trade like this. I think it's doable. And to be realistic, you can frame a different way to take your profit. You can put a short reload zone. So this is the high, this is the low, and put a short reload zone to find the... So in this area, in the short reload zone, you can take some profit. To be protective, put at 61.8. That's at 2.5. Not bad. So with a 2.5, even with a 30% win rate, you are still making money. Yeah? You have to think, you have to understand, you have to think in a series of trades. You have to think after 100 trades with the same setup, not in this trade. You don't know what will happen in this trade. Okay? So if you'll take this same setup 100 times, you'll be profitable or not. A bearish divergence on Bitcoin. On weekly. Let's take a look. Let's put weekly. Let's hide the ink, all the drawings. Let's put the indicators. You have something on RSI, but not on OBV. It's a different thing. And this big one, it's old and it's not confirmed. We need RSI below this level, and this one, yeah, indeed is confirmed. It's the first W. It's just a normal thing to happen in a range, Jade. I don't worry about that. Simple as that. Okay. People, let's call it a live stream. I think we talked multiple ones. I don't see why not. You cannot take that that voxel. You can take it on daily. Why not? Okay. Be careful. Protect your capital. It's Friday. Usually we get some volatility in the New York session. And then in the weekend, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they are just flat. They are dead. Nobody is letting them move. But we can still, I don't know, scalp trade on, if we want, on other shitcoins. In the weekend, usually, I'm doing something else. If I see volatility, I'm playing. If not, I'll just leave it alone. There are a lot of things we can do. Couple one people, well, we'll have the live stream at the end of the day. Yeah? Risk management this time, which is not bad. Yeah? You had an exercise to do. Please do it until we'll have the live stream so we can talk about that one. We don't have anything else than some 2 places on premium, and that's it. The rest is, everything is booked, everything is in place. We'll open the VIP. Stefan will open the VIP at the end of the month. Yeah. Actually, beginning of the next month. Until then, see you in the New York session if you are premium. If not, weekly crypto review on Sunday or Monday with the same live stream like today. See you, people.